Hello, it's a pleasure to be with you. My name is Alexander Moser and I'm from the company Schmetz in Germany. I do work at the company as a business development manager, and yes, I'm here to tell you something about our company. So the company Schmetz was founded in 1851. So when the sewing machine was developed, actually the family Schmetz decided to go along with the machine manufacturers, and since then we've been developing new products, developing solutions to the market. And this is, as I say, for over 100 years we've been in the market. We know the problems that the market has, and we are going along with the development of the new materials, threads, what are the new objectives in the industry, and together with this we do produce then solutions to the market. So there's basically, I would honestly say there's a lack of information in the market. So a lot of knowledge has to be assimilated one by one, and this is a main factor actually, in my opinion, that is important to understand. So from what I see here at the show is that we need to inform the end users about each and every characteristic of the needle, and from there the solutions are being driven, so customers really could solve their own problems if they had enough knowledge about what is already existing in the market. And then of course we do have special products that are based on the standard needles, and then we understand what the problem of the customer is, and from there we start searching for solutions, be it changing the point shape or changing the coating of the needle or a special geometry. So there's quite a few things that we can do at the needle in order to find a solution at it. Yes, most of the time what we find, the typical problems are what people call the needle cut. Actually, it's a material damage that might be caused by the needle, but normally it has also to do with the quality of the fabric. So the structure of the fabric, is the fabric, how is the finishing on the fabric. So there's quite a few parameters that would make then a change of the situation, and therefore needle cut is one of the most important factors. Then the next one would be skip stitches. So there's a specific reason why there are skip stitches, why skip stitches happen. So if we do understand where does the skip stitch come from, then normally we already find a solution within the factory. But of course we do have special situations where we do have also special products that would help in, let's say, elastic material, or where we have different constructions of the seam, where we do have cross seams, and these are typical areas where there could be happening skip stitches. Now, what do? We produce needles that have a special blade reinforcement, that have a special scarf shape, and this helps to open a bigger loop and therefore then avoid the skip stitches. So there are quite a few products that can help this situation to avoid skip stitches. It's my first time in Bangladesh, so I'm really excited to be here. But I'm learning about the market, and of course I know that Bangladesh is a huge provider for the world, and therefore it's our main interest actually to find what are the problems and how can we address them, and from there then of course gain our market share.